Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Early morning videos are fun, especially when it's raining. It's a rainy day here, and you can see I'm in the Bedok interchange. I'm gonna do some errands early in the morning. You see this place before, it was a lot of people, a lot of shops, stalls open for Chinese New Year, and now has stopped. You can see it is raining heavily. It's raining heavily, man. Look at this guy. Need some money? Right here. It is raining heavily, pouring down. Let's try to jump from here. Or we can go from there. That's a shade over there. I guess we go from there. People are out and about early in the morning. Everybody, the young people to old people, everyone's just moving around, buying food, doing their groceries, and the regular thing, man. Here, let's go. Shops are starting to open slowly. It's a nice day, but it's just that it's raining today. But it's all good. Look at that food stall. A lot of different kind of food. Where can I go from here? I think I can get the shade from there. On this side. Let's go people. Let's go. Let's see. Today morning I'm gonna go to the communication to get to run some errands. I need to go to the communication, and oh my god, the communication is closed. So one of the things that I need to do in the morning is not gonna happen. It's a bottle store. This is the communication that I usually go to get my daily printouts or scanning a document or whatever, and it is closed. I don't know when it's gonna open, but clearly it shows that it's closed. So all the plans have changed now. I need to find something else to do today. Maybe do some videos just for that. Gonna keep on videoing for a bit. This it's quite quiet. I think it's still everyone is still in the Chinese New Year mood, and a lot of shops are still not open. So I'm not really sure when to start opening again. But past few days, most of the Chinese shops are closed, and as a result, even the communication is closed. So I don't know when they're gonna open, but I think it's best to ask when it's gonna open again. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Let me just take you guys to one of the food courts. It's called the Hawker Center. So let me show you around the hawker food, Indian foods. Let's go to the Hawker Center. Yep, the hawker is open. The food courts, Hawker Center, it's open. It's ready for business. Look at that. A lot of food, a lot of people. Alright guys, I think plans have changed. I'm gonna have my food here, and yeah, I have my food now. I'll come back with another video soon, but today it's just to say that most of the shops are closed still, except for some food stalls. So yes guys, we'll be up with another video when everything is open again. I will be doing some videos. So this is just the food court. Gonna have my breakfast here, and after that maybe head back home. Alright guys, have a nice one. Bye bye.